Welcome back to UTC Swindon TV. Now today we're at Reading UTC for a special event involving Thames Water, who are one of their major partners, who is also a major partner for Swindon UTC. And today we're here to see how the interactive classes actually work and to see one in operation. Now this isn't really what you'd expect to see in a regular classroom, is it? There's enthusiasm, there's positivity, there's real learning taking place, and it's all with an interactive project with Thames Water.
Today we're here to do our engineering challenge with the students at UTC Reading. It's a really exciting way for them to get to understand what engineering is about all in practice, because they really do have to think about planning their network, building their network, and then in the end turning the water on to their customers. It's a very hands-on way of learning, and it's a really fantastic way for the students to take their knowledge from the classroom and apply it to a real-life situation.
So this is an interactive project with Thames Water in action, so let's see how it's going. How are you getting on, guys?
We're doing good. Yeah. We're nearly
submit a health and safety report to the local council.
Building it, and we're just finishing off the intervention.
So who's the manager? Who's the boss? And you've got a name for your company?
H to the O. We're trying to make it so that water can flow to all our four customers by as cheaply as possible. So we thought it'd be cheaper to only have to go across these four bridges, rather than if we went around the other way we'd have to do a lot more. So we sort of spent some time to work out which way would be the cheapest.
It's really obvious when you look at the students taking part in our network challenge that they really enjoy it. They get the opportunity to really think about real life problems and solve those problems together, communicate. I think of course when we get to turning the water on, they're going to see their networks in action and see that they've succeeded. So that's very exciting for them as well.
It gives them the opportunity to meet graduates, to meet young employees in those companies, to find out the routes that they took, to be inspired by those young graduates who are engineers or computer scientists, and to really understand what the world of work has to offer, because engineering and computer science are such wide fields and there are so many possibilities for the youngsters to move into, and being at the UTC means they get a chance to explore those much more than they would in other environments.
At Thames Water, we're really pleased to be partnering with UTC Reading and UTC Swindon. It's a really exciting way for the students to learn, and what we're looking for is for them to come out and be work ready. There has been criticism in the past of students coming out and not really understanding what the world of work is about. So exercises like our engineering challenge gets them to understand a bit about the world of work. Our partnership with the UTCs means that we can have an ongoing relationship with these students, and we can get them ready for the world of work when they leave at 16 or 18. I think the UTC programme is just a different way of approaching how young people learn. It's much more hands-on, it's much more interactive, and I think that's how young people get to understand the skills needed for business today and for the world today. Of course, in the UK we've got lots and lots of building projects. We need engineers for the future. So the fact that UTCs are addressing this is very exciting for us and other employers who are involved with UTCs.
Judging from the energy and enthusiasm from the students here at Reading, it really gives you an idea of how successful a partnership can be between the students, the UTC and industry. And it's exactly what we can look forward to seeing in Swindon from September this year. As always, more details on the website.